Some places feel too beautiful to be real. Golden hills rolling endlessly into the horizon. Medieval towns untouched by time. Vineyards stretching beneath the Italian sun. This is Tuscany, a region where art, history, and nature exist in perfect harmony. At the heart of Tuscany lies Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance. Centuries ago, this city transformed the world through art, architecture, and human creativity. Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Botticelli once walked these streets. Florence wasn't just a city of beauty. It was the center of a cultural revolution that shaped modern civilization. Towering above Florence is the Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore, known simply as the Duomo. Its massive dome was an engineering miracle of its time, built without modern technology. Even today, it dominates the skyline like a symbol of human ambition and imagination. The Tuscan countryside looks like a painting brought to life. Rolling hills, cypress-lined roads, and vineyards create landscapes recognized around the world. In places like Valdorcia, every view feels cinematic, as if nature itself was carefully designed. Siena feels frozen in the Middle Ages. Its narrow streets lead to Piazza del Campo, one of Europe's most beautiful public squares. Twice a year, the city hosts the Palio, a centuries-old horse race that transforms Siena into a living piece of history. San Gimignano is often called the medieval Manhattan. During the Middle Ages, wealthy families competed by building taller towers to display power and prestige. Today, its skyline remains one of the most recognizable in Italy. Tuscany is not just seen, it's tasted. World-famous wines like Chianti are born from these hills. Fresh olive oil, handmade pasta, rustic bread, and local cheeses reflect a lifestyle centered around simplicity and quality. In Tuscany, meals are not rushed, they are experiences. The influence of Tuscany reaches far beyond Italy. The Renaissance changed how humanity viewed science, beauty, and creativity. And its legacy still surrounds you, in museums, architecture, and everyday life. Tuscany moves at a different pace. Here, beauty is not loud, it exists quietly, in the sound of church bells, in sunlight over vineyards, and in conversations shared over dinner. It's a reminder that life does not always need to move fast to feel meaningful. Tuscany is more than a destination. It's a feeling, a place where history, art, food, and nature blend into something timeless. And once you experience it, a part of you never truly leaves. If Tuscany inspired you, like and subscribe for more cinematic journeys around the world, because some places are too beautiful not to explore.